everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Chuck. On this episode, we'll be unboxing the VTech Sit-To-Stand Learning Walker. So we finally assembled the sit-to-stand walker, and a little bit of a couple things with the walker. It does have wheels, and the settings to the side right here. There's the 1 and the 2. This is for the speed. The 1 is for lock or slower, and the 2 is to loosen. One that I did notice, so you can do that. And with interaction, there's a lot to do here. The walker does come in with 2 AA batteries, and there's a lot to do here. There's a solder, circle, triangle, and a square, and a lot of sounds. It's like a little piano here. 5 keys. This turns around. There's a moves. There's an off button here. And 2 other settings. And there's a little switch right here to actually take this panel off of the walker. I believe you just pull it down and it'll release it. Oh, excuse me, pull up, and then it'll release it. And you can have this panel with your kid at bedside or at the crib, and they can continue playing. And to put it back on, just align it and push down. Not too much drag, but the wheels are theirs and as advertised You can use it on your wooden floors, carpeted surfaces, mats, wherever your baby will be. And I believe this looks fun. There's a lot of colors, there's a lot of sounds to it. Put this on. There's also one button that I did notice right here. Probably low volume and high volume. Low volume and high volume.
There's so much to do.
There's a phone here too.
Ring-a-ling.
Okay.
Thanks for calling.
That'll be fun. Thanks for calling.
I see you. Triangle.
Triangle.
Circle.
Circle. Two.
Square.
Square.
Three.
So audio and visual interaction, I think this will be a good buy.
The sun is shining.
If you like this unboxing, please comment, subscribe, like the video, see more of these, and see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome to our learning farm. We have lots to show you. Shapes and colors, music too.